Hey everyone, welcome back to Python for Beginner series, and this is gonna be our video number 44. And here is our question, that is, write a Python program that converts an input string into its equivalent ASCII representation. So basically ASCII stands for the American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It is a character encoding standards that represent text as a series of numbers. Each number corresponds to a specific character such as letters, number, punctuation mark, or symbol. ASCII was originally developed in the 1960s and is still widely used today as a basic way of representing text in computers and digital devices. So let's see how we can solve this question. Okay, so I have already created this file. So let's start creating our ASCII function, ASCII representation, and we'll use the data as our input. Okay. Now let's initialize the empty list. Let's start our for loop, that is for character in data. Okay. And we'll use the OR function to get the ASCII code of each of the character. So we'll use ASCII code equal to OR character. Okay. So what we are doing, we are appending the ASCII code to the ASCII codes list, okay, the empty string. And after that we have to return the ASCII code, okay, codes. Let's create our data variable. We'll ask the input from the user, enter the string. So let's print the ASCII representation, comma, and we have to call our function here, that is ASCII representation data. Okay, so let's save the file and run the code. Enter the string. So let's say A. Okay, first we'll check the program. 97. Okay, we have to Google it. ASCII value of A. Okay, the capital A is 65. Let's run our code again. Yeah, it is 65. Cool. Let me go to the charts. ASCII characters chart. A is 65. These are the ASCII table. Dec is for decimal value, and this is the character. Let's write the add. Okay, it is 64. Okay, that is great. Another 64 is right. So this is how you can convert the string into ASCII representation. Just give it a try and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning. Bye bye.